Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to remove specific rows from an export in DataChamp using a PC set as an example. Let's say you're selling a PC set that includes the PC, monitor, and a keyboard. Instead of exporting the set as a single line item, you want to break it down and list each component separately in your report. This is important for order picking, for example, so the warehouse team knows exactly which individual items to prepare for shipping. Let's get started. First, create a new report and select Order as the report type. Then include the fields you need, like product title, SKU, and quantity. You can also delete columns if you don't need them. When we click on Preview, we can see that the PC set is displayed as a single line. However, since we want to list the individual components for order picking, we head over to the Rows tab and click on Add Row. Choose after each order and add one row for each component you want to export separately, in this case for the PC, the monitor, and the keyboard. Click Set Condition, and then set the if condition to Title includes PC, so that these additional rows are only added when a PC is actually included in the order. And also rename the title and SKU if you have a separate SKU for each component of the PC. If you only enter the word PC or the SKU in the column, the text will appear exactly as written in the report. For the quantity, we use curly brackets because they allow access to values from other columns, so the actual quantity is automatically inserted in the report. Repeat this process for the monitor and the keyboard. Once that is done, click on Preview to check the results. As you can see, the original row containing the PC set is still listed in the report. To remove this row, add another row and select Delete Row of Order. Again, use the same condition, title includes PC set. That way, DataChamp removes the original set line and keeps only the individual components you've added. Now click Preview to check the results. As you can see, the original row containing the PC set is now deleted. If everything looks good, give your report a clear name like PC Set Breakdown. Save it and hit Run to generate the export. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next one.